Hello my dear student of Standard 9. How are you? Hope you are fine. By the grace of Allah, welcome back to my class. Today, we will learn the preservation of national resources and checking wastage. At first, what is preservation? So, preservation means maintenance plus supervision. Preservation is the special protection and supervision of something with care, especially from loss, injury or danger. In another word, preservation is the act of maintaining, protecting or keeping something in existence. Examples of preservations are: we can preserve tomatoes or mangoes in a jar, preservation of plant or protecting a forest in different ways. We know that national resources is equal to personal resources plus collective resources, isn't it? So, the preservation of national resources means the preservation of both personal and collective resources together. Now, the preservation of personal assets or resources. The individual generally keeps his own assets such as money, gold and silver, land and property, factory or industry, etc. with special care for own interest. Not only that, they are much active to develop and increase those. Moreover, everybody supervises those items to check wastage of their own resources. The ways of preservation of personal assets are, that means how we can preserve our personal assets. At first, to look after the assets regularly. 2. To prevent the possibility of damaging any assets. 3. By replacing the assets which are damaged. 4. By reducing the misuse of own asset. In case of personal resources, we are much aware of preservation of our property. But in case of collective assets like bridge, roads, hospital, water body, park, rivers, etc., we are that much careless of preservation. But we have to remember that we use and enjoy those assets. That means the collective resources. The state ensures all the development and welfare of the people by using those assets in a planned way. So, all citizens should be careful to preserve all such collective assets. Moreover, organizations and institutions in charge of their collective resources should perform their duties properly. Now, we will watch an interesting video. Let's watch. Thank you for watching the video. Now, whose actions are to be taken to preserve and check wastage of national resources? Number 1, we should increase attention so that the management which is taken by state to preserve national resources not to be hampered. Second, we should enhance awareness so that none can harm these resources. If we find any such type of misdeed, then the authority must be informed. For example, cutting down trees or preserve forests illegally, hunting birds, beasts, etc. And all these considered as the damage of national resources. 3 number, we should try to keep developing and increasing these resources. 4, we should remain aware and active to check the misuse of the collective and the national resources such as water supplied by the state agency, and we should not use electricity, gas, etc. without need. And we should be economical while enjoying it. 5 number, every citizen should be aware and active in performing respective duty to reserve those resources. The employees of the organization have to be remain vigilant to perform all duties properly. The responsibilities and duties of authorized organization should be described clearly in the documents of the concerned organization. 8, we have to arrange necessary training to perform all such duties. 9, we have to use alternative sources of energy to preserve national resources such as windmill and solar panel to produce electricity, have to be produced biogas to reduce the using of natural gas, etc. 10, we have to be economical in case of using natural resources or national resources. So today up to this everybody, now one SW for you, short question, that is, why is it important to preserve national resources? You will write and send me. Okay, so here is one information for you, how you can protect from coronavirus. So you must follow this instruction. Up to this, goodbye everyone. Stay at your home safely.